10 lines on importance of teacher. 1. Teaching is regarded as noble profession. 2. Teachers have great importance in the life of students. 3. They provide proper guidance to the students. 4. They are the provider of knowledge and skills to us. 5. They teach us about every new thing that we never knew. 6. They aim to make children educated and civilized. 7. They help children in overcoming difficulties in learning. 8. Teachers take good care of students. 9. They inculcate morals and good values in children. 10. Teachers are respected people in society. Thanks for watching. Like and share the video and subscribe for more videos.